This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kirsten McAndrew. Private parking spot. A must-have at Shores of Panama. On same low floor as this beautiful condo. This is the super popular floor plan featuring a golf front master bedroom and full bunk room. Both bedrooms feature their own full bathroom. Nice updates and decor, furnished. Awe-inspiring resort-style view over the extensive tropical pool area to the stunning beach and salty waters. You will enjoy the private balcony full of sunshine, warm breezes and beach views. Exclusive amenities combined with a central location to offer one of the best vacation experiences. Relax at one of the largest and most tropical pool area and grounds on the beach. Enjoy the poolside Tiki Bar, snack shack, beach service, hot tub, gym and spa, game room, covered portico entrance. Convenient to dining and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirsten McAndrew at 850-249-6100.